So one of my goals for this year was to deepen my friendships.
Yeah.
I realized that was a big hole in my game.
I remember talking about that.
Yeah, and I'm happy to say this year's been crazy. I've been very intentional.
Good.
I think you have to be, as an adult, particularly as an adult male.
Yep.
You have to be, if you want meaningful friendships, you have to. It's not going to just happen. You have to really.
Similar to what we talked about before, all this stuff, it's just not going to happen, especially when you get to the point where we are, where it's kids and work and life and all the other things. Yeah.
So I have, I feel like I've done I give myself like an A- on this year.
That's
I think
awesome.
I've done a really great job. To where, made it sounds like third grade, but made a new friend. Actually, it's Dr. Rich. Dr. Rich who's on the show, and hung out with him this past. So again, hung out with him this past weekend.
Yep.
We now train together probably every other week or so.
Great.
I see him and talk to him a lot. It's been awesome. So that also Marcus. I see and talk to Marcus all the time. Marcus came to Croatia with us.
Oh, cool! I didn't know that.
Yeah, he's going to go and we're going to hike the Grand Canyon together.
Nice.
He's here at the gym. We schedule it every week. Probably happens realistically every other week, but hugely intentional. He came down the Cape, spent time with us on the Cape. So the guy friendship thing has really moved forward. Did a guys trip to Mount Washington. Just 4 of us going up there by ourselves and hiking and camping overnight. Nobody else, no phones, all that stuff so that's probably been my biggest thing.
Yeah.
There is, I also mentioned I've trained with Heather now. So train with her most days. This started in before, but I'm leading both teams and trying to do it very intentionally, being out there in front. Yep. And then a small one is, and this doesn't seem to fit into this category until I'll explain a little bit. I started doing the laundry for the family.
Good for you.
So I do it every day.
Yep. Man, there's always more things to fold or wash. It's
endless. And if you don't do it every day, oh my gosh, it becomes daunting.
Yep.
But what I realized is connection also has to do with leadership.
Yeah.
And what I saw was an opportunity for me to take something off of the plate of my partner that could free her up to have a little more bandwidth, a little more space to fill in the blank. But I don't want to say I do the laundry now and our relationship is better, but I don't want to not say that either.
Right.
And it's not because there's some nuancy stuff to this, right? That you can't draw the perfect connections. It doesn't go dot to dot. But it's a thing where I felt like I could do a little bit of grunt work to lighten the load on the team. And when that happens, connections get stronger because if people are less stressed, they're more free to be joyful.
Yes. Take that. I'm just going to add one thing because we do have to wrap. And I mentioned this last year, but it's something I've continued to do, and I really recommend it. I call it my check-in questions. So in the morning, I ask myself 2 questions, and I'll write these answers out, similar to what you do. But the questions are, what's one thing I'm focused on right now, or what's the one thing I'm focused on today? And what's one thing I'm grateful for? So those are my 2 morning questions. I sort of try to start the day with those. And then the end of the day is what's one thing that I want to remember about today? And I stole that from you. And then the last thing is what's one thing that knocked me off center today and why? Right.
Love that. So that's the connecting. It's cool because mine were about connecting with others. Exactly. Yours about connecting with yourself.
Connecting with self. Yep. Yes. Yep. So I really recommend those questions for folks. If you don't have a sort of a morning or an evening journal practice, those 4 questions work really, really well for me. Thank you very much for watching that clip from a longer episode of Chasing Excellence. If you liked it, I'm quite sure you will love the entire episode. You can find the link in the video description, or you can just simply search for Chasing Excellence wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.